Ever wondered how your morning routine could directly impact your financial goals? Well, here's an intriguing thought. What if the first few hours of your day could be transformed into a goldmine of opportunities? Imagine waking up each day knowing that the first tasks you do will not only wake up your mind and body, but also kickstart your income. Sounds exciting? That's because it is. First on the list is freelancing. If you've got a skill that's in demand, then why not put it to use first thing in the morning? Whether it's graphic design, writing, programming, or consulting, there's a world of opportunities out there waiting for you. Next is stock trading. The market opens early, and this could be your chance to make some money while sipping that morning coffee. Be sure to educate yourself on the ins and outs of the market though, as it's not without its risks. Then there's online tutoring. If you're a master of a particular subject, why not share your knowledge with others and get paid for it? It's a win-win situation. Fourth on our list is creating digital products. This could be anything from ebooks to online courses, podcasts to software. The beauty of this is once you've created your product, it can generate income while you're busy doing other things. Lastly, consider starting a dropshipping business. With dropshipping, you sell products directly from the manufacturer to the consumer without ever touching the product yourself. It's a low-risk way of starting an online business. Now, why are these morning money-making activities so crucial? Well, there are a few reasons. Firstly, starting the day with income-generating tasks sets a positive and productive tone for the rest of the day. It's a great way to feel accomplished early on, which can boost motivation and productivity for other tasks. Secondly, it's all about making the most of your time. By doing these tasks in the morning, you're making use of a time that might otherwise be wasted. Thirdly, it's about creating consistent income streams. When you regularly dedicate time to these activities, you're more likely to see consistent results. In conclusion, starting your day with money-making activities is a smart way to reach your financial goals sooner. It's about making the most of your time, setting a positive tone for the day, and creating consistent income streams. So, the next time your alarm goes off, consider how you could be using those first few hours of your day. Could they be turned into a goldmine of opportunities? The possibilities are endless.